What if I told you there's a device that can literally see through your walls, detect drones, and map out every Wi-Fi signal in your home? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's not. This week, a project called QuadRF exploded onto Hacker News, blowing minds with its incredible capabilities. And today, we're diving deep into exactly what it is, how it works, and why it's got the tech world buzzing. For those who missed it on Hacker News, QuadRF is an open-source, software-defined radio (SDR) project that's essentially a super-powered RF scanner. Imagine taking the concept of an X-ray vision for radio frequencies and making it accessible. That's QuadRF. Its core strength lies in its ability to analyze a wide spectrum of radio signals in real time, offering insights into our increasingly wireless world that were previously only available to highly specialized, expensive equipment. One of the most jaw-dropping features highlighted is its drone detection capability. In an era where drone privacy and security are growing concerns, QuadRF offers a novel solution. It doesn't just see a drone visually. It detects the radio signals emitted by the drone itself, its control signals, its telemetry, its video downlink. This means it can spot a drone long before you hear or see it, potentially even identifying its type or control frequency. Think about the implications for secure perimeters, event security, or even just peace of mind for homeowners. But the feature that really grabbed everyone's attention, including mine, is its ability to visualize Wi-Fi signals through walls. Now, let's be clear, it's not literally showing you a live video feed of what's behind your wall. What it is doing is mapping out the RF environment in 3D. It can identify the precise location of your router, your smart devices, and even pick up on reflections and signal degradation caused by walls, furniture, and other obstacles. This creates a detailed, almost ghostly image of your home's RF landscape. For network engineers, this is a dream come true for optimizing Wi-Fi coverage. For security enthusiasts, it's a fascinating tool to understand signal leakage and potential vulnerabilities. At its heart, QuadRF leverages multiple SDR receivers working in concert. By comparing the phase and amplitude of signals received at slightly different positions, it can triangulate, or rather, localize, the source of an RF emission. This spatial awareness, combined with advanced signal processing, allows it to build that 3D map. It's essentially a very sophisticated form of RF triangulation and imaging, making the invisible visible. The open-source nature means the community can continuously improve and expand its capabilities, making it a truly powerful and evolving tool. The potential applications are immense. Beyond drone detection and Wi-Fi mapping, consider its use in industrial environments for monitoring RF interference, in search and rescue for locating emergency beacons, or even in scientific research for studying electromagnetic phenomena. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. The ability to see signals through walls also brings up privacy considerations. Understanding where your signals are going, and who might be able to intercept them, becomes even more critical. QuadRF shines a light, quite literally, on the invisible fabric of our modern world. This project is a prime example of how open-source innovation continues to push boundaries. It's a testament to the power of curiosity and ingenuity. What do you think about QuadRF? Does the idea of seeing Wi-Fi through your walls excite you or give you pause? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this dive into QuadRF fascinating, hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives into cutting-edge tech. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching.